In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a Facebook ad you saw. Have you ever scrolled through your Facebook feed, found an interesting ad, but then accidentally refreshed or navigated away before you could engage with it? We've all been there, and I understand how frustrating it can be, especially if the ad was for something you were genuinely interested in. Worry not, because today I'm here to guide you through the simple process of retracing that elusive ad on Facebook. First things first, using any web browser of your choice, navigate to Facebook's homepage. Log in if you haven't already, ensuring you're entering the digital realm where billions connect, including those ads you wish to find again. Once you're in, start by locating your profile photo. You can usually find this at the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. This is your gateway to accessing various personal and account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile photo. It's like taking the first step on a treasure hunt, where the treasure is the ad you can't stop thinking about. After clicking on your profile photo, you'll see a menu drop down. This menu is packed with options, but the one you're interested in for our quest today is Settings and Privacy. This option is your personal control room on Facebook, allowing you to manage how you interact with the platform and how it interacts with you. Click on Settings and Privacy, and let's move forward. Now that you're in the Settings and Privacy menu, your next action is to click on Settings. It's another dive deeper into the control settings, bringing you closer to your goal. Consider this step as you're getting your hands on the map that leads to the buried ad treasure. Upon entering your settings, you'll find a variety of options. This time, look for Account Center and click on it. The Account Center is a relatively new addition to Facebook, serving as a hub for managing interconnected experiences across Facebook's family of apps. Think of it as the central station from where you can catch any train to your desired destination within Facebook's ecosystem. Within the Account Center, you're going to find several options, but your golden ticket here is the Ad Preferences section. This wonderful feature is like a time machine, allowing you to travel back and revisit ads that have crossed your path. Click on Ad Preferences to get one step closer to your goal. Your journey through the ad preferences brings you to a very crucial step. Here you'll see an overview of your ad interactions. However, to find the treasure, the specific ad you're looking for, you must click on See All. This opens the gates wide, showcasing all the ads you've interacted with or that have been presented to you based on your interests and activities on Facebook. And there you have it. You are now standing in front of the treasure chest, filled with all the ads Facebook thought you'd find appealing. Take your time to sift through, and hopefully you'll spot that particular ad that caught your eye. It's like finding the needle in the haystack, but much less tedious and far more rewarding. A few additional tips to help you on this quest. Remember, the effectiveness of this process hinges on the data Facebook has collected based on your interactions and preferences. So if you can't find the ad initially, don't lose hope. It might just be buried a bit deeper than expected. Moreover, regularly engaging with content you like helps Facebook tailor your ad experience more precisely, making future searches for ads much easier and more accurate. There you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to finding that Facebook ad that slipped through your fingers. Whether it was for a pair of must-have sneakers, a life-changing gadget, or a service you've been contemplating, following these steps should reunite you with those digital desires. Remember, the digital world is vast, but nothing is truly lost in the echoes of your online activities. Happy hunting, and may you always find what you're searching for.